What's going on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen? Micro Scale Garage, episode 64. Alright, I want to talk about some 3D prints. I finally designed my trailer. I got it printed. It took a day, 28 minutes, and some change. First off, when I was first designing it, when we were first printing in the carbon fiber, I woke up the next morning and half of this print was like shifted. Like half of the trailer or the bed shifted. Something happened. But I'm still gonna use this. I'm gonna use it for something. So it's not gonna be just wasted carbon fiber PLA. It didn't print Micro Scale Garage on the other side of the trailer, but I gotta get ready to print the door. I was trying to print a door and it looks like something that was beat up on Grand Theft Auto. If you beat it with like a hammer or something, I might use it, I don't know. But it didn't print out that good. I'm gonna have to use a raft to print. And right now I'm having problems with my monoprice because my buddy Chris, Failure FPV, he wanted some of these GoPro mounts. This is out of TPU and this is Sensei Smart TPU. I like the way this turned out. But the cheaper Micro Center Inland TPU stuff, now this is only 20% infill. It didn't come out that good. And plus the bolt holes for his schizo frame on his drone, it ripped right there. So that was a failed print. The buddies up at Excel RC Racing, my buddy Randy, right? Yeah. Ricky, sorry, dang, too many names. Printing him out some oil coolers and some intercoolers, or oil cooler and then intercooler. These are my version 2s, so I'm printing out some of these. I designed some race seats. I just got this one off the print bed. Micro Scale Garage. It's too small for a 10 scale, but it fits perfect in my D90. That's why I got it sitting here on my D90. Like it's gonna. I got another one on the print bed right now printing. I don't know if you guys can hear it. This is the size of the failed ones because I didn't use any supports or any raft or anything. They started moving on the print bed. But I'm gonna go a little bit bigger than this right here for 10 scale. So that way it'll fit in my drift car. I'm starting to build some scale parts for the drift car. Got a little intercooler on there. I'm gonna get ready to make the door handles for the TRX4. I'm gonna try and design those, but also for Ricky, what I'm trying to design is this was something special, the race seat. So if he sees my video and be like, "What? You made a race seat?" I hope he likes it. I got this on Tinkercad. Fusion 360 is becoming my friend now. Way better than Tinkercad. I can do a lot more stuff. This right here, if you guys are wondering what this funny design is, this is a Android Apple phone holder. You know, for people that likes to play PUBG on their phone, or you know, like to watch YouTube videos on their phone, or whether at work. You know, the object is that you'll be able to. Do I have my phone on me? Well, you'll be able to set your phone in here, or you set it upright, and then the cable will go through and charge your phone. But I do need to make this a better design because this is made out of PTEG, different type of filament. I ended up breaking it when I got it off the print bed. I got a bunch of these printed and all this different crazy little designs, but I gotta get out there, get to learn how to print better and make these prints a lot more awesome. Last night I was messing around with the TPU. I finally made some scale mud tracks, but I'm gonna print them in PLA so that way they don't look so like messed up with this. The point of this trailer was to have my Bronco or my D90 carry the trailer while it carries my Orlando Hunter Jeep. And thankfully I made it just big enough for the Jeep to be carried inside the trailer. My buddy Jonathan off of the Orlando Hunter group, I'm gonna print him off some tire racks for the Orlando Hunters, and I'm gonna give him some tire racks. This is part of that failed print I was telling you guys about the trailer. Here's another test print that I did on the monoprice on the smaller printer, like a smaller trailer. I'm gonna get all this stuff down pat. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but Buy It, Break It, Fix It gave me a little like package that he sent me. Cool little toolbox. It don't really fit for TRX4, I mean, I guess it'll fit for the TRX4, like if you had it like an interior and you had it in there, but sitting on the roof rack, nah, this is too small. Nobody would put their toolbox like this up on top of their vehicle. So this is going inside the garage, and this is gonna sit in the garage. Oh, I gotta fix my table. My cat Blaze, she likes to sleep inside my garage. I'm gonna print off a pillar. I had to use some tissue holders to hold my little raft up here that we're gonna finish off. Now we got a 3D printer. Actually gonna make a walkway now. You know, we're gonna print something. Do it pretty cool. But got all the vehicles out here. It's a nice day outside. I'm just trying to get some prints off, show you guys what I've been doing, and then I'm gonna get out there and get the RC in, cause yeah, it's nice out. My back's not hurting. I got some more rocks on the Tim scale course, so hopefully me and my TRX4 can go back out. But I think I'm gonna take the red cat out, take my wife's truck out, and drive her truck around. But this is gonna be a quick little video, micro scale garage. I just want to say peace, like, and love. Subscribe. Thank you very much for sticking with me, you guys. We're gonna have a lot more epic videos. I gotta fix the go-kart. My buddy Zach, he's got a nice KLX 250 dirt bike. We're gonna be getting out there, getting some more go-karting videos, more mini bike videos. I gotta find a silencer for Xavier's SSR 50A. So if anybody know anything in the comments about where I can get parts for the SSR 50As, I can't find any parts on the internet. I might have to buy another bike and then just use it for parts or something. But I'm gonna start designing leaf springs, get this trailer running and everything, get a door for it and everything. That way I can put my Jeep in there, because my Jeep needs a home. It's so cool. And it don't fit like perfect, but oh yeah, he fits in there. Just slides on in there just like that. But alright, you guys, micro scale garage, peace, like, and love. God bless. I'll see you guys out there on the course. Stay muddy, stay in the air. RC anyway, you guys. Oh, but wait, there's more. Steve was wondering if this would work for the Mini Z's. I got this off Thingiverse. I printed out of carbon fiber. I haven't cleaned up none of the poopiness on it, but it's supposed to be a brushless motor mount for the Kyosho Mini Z's. Let me know if you want this, man. Just send me a message and I'll mail this out to you. Alright, peace out.